In life, we all want to become someone. We all want to achieve something great. Many people watch motivational videos on YouTube regularly, yet they still don't see much change in their lives. Why? Because you can't build a successful life on motivation alone. Without discipline, motivation won't take you far. If you don't fully understand this yet, watch today's story till the end. I promise this story can truly change your life. In a small town, there lived a boy named Ethan. He had big dreams. He wanted to accomplish something extraordinary. Every day he watched motivational videos, read inspiring stories, and listen to successful people speak. He would often tell himself, "I'll study 6 hours every day. Tomorrow, I'll change everything." Just thinking about it made him feel excited and happy. But that excitement didn't last. After a couple of days, he fell back into old lazy habits and found excuses to avoid work. Trying and failing repeatedly left Ethan frustrated and disappointed. One day, he met his friend Ben. Ben seemed like he lived in another world. He woke up early every day, followed a routine, studied on time, and improved himself slowly, day by day. Ethan watched him with surprise. "How do you do it, Ben?" he asked. "How do you stay so motivated and get things done every day?" Ben smiled. "I don't rely on motivation, Ethan. I trust in discipline." Ethan looked confused. "But isn't motivation the real key to success?" Ben shook his head. "Come with me to the riverside tomorrow morning. I want to show you something." The next morning, before sunrise, Ethan went with Ben to the river. An old fisherman sat there, his hands strong and his eyes full of wisdom. Ben said, "Grandpa, could you tell him the story about discipline you once told me?" The fisherman looked at Ethan and smiled. "Do you see this river, Ethan? I come here every day at this exact time. Cold, rain, sun. I throw my net, sit patiently, and try to catch fish. Some days I catch a lot, some days a little, some days nothing at all. But I never stop coming. Do you know why?" Ethan thought for a moment. "Because you love fishing?" The fisherman laughed gently. "No, son. This is my responsibility. If I only came when I felt like it, I wouldn't come every day. If I waited for good weather only, my family would go hungry. I don't wait for motivation. I rely on discipline." Ethan listened carefully. Motivation is like a flash of light. It shines brightly for a moment, then disappears. But discipline is like a fire. It burns slowly, steadily, every day, no matter what happens around it. Then he pointed to a bamboo tree nearby. "Have you heard the story of the bamboo tree?" Ethan shook his head. "A farmer once planted a bamboo seed. Every day he watered it, gave it sunlight, and cared for it. 1 year passed, nothing happened. People laughed and said he was wasting his time. The second year, the third, the fourth, still nothing. But the farmer didn't give up." There was a spark in the fisherman's eyes. Then, suddenly in the 5th year, do you know what happened? In just 6 weeks, the bamboo grew 90 feet tall. Do you know why? Ethan's eyes widened. "Because during those years the tree was growing roots underground." "Exactly," said the fisherman. "During those years, it was building a strong foundation. If the farmer had given up, he would never have seen it grow so tall. Discipline works the same way. You may not see results at first, but if you stay patient and persistent, success will come." Something inside Ethan changed. He realized he had been waiting for motivation and quick results. Now he understood. The real key to success was discipline. From that day, Ethan made up his mind. He created a routine. Even on days he didn't feel like it, he studied. On tired days, he exercised. Even when sleepy, he woke up early. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, months into years. Slowly, Ethan became one of the most respected people in town. Whenever someone asked him, "Hey, what's your secret to success?" he would smile and say, "Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is the key. Do small things consistently, every single day, and big results will follow. Success isn't about huge leaps. It's about doing the right things daily. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Stay disciplined and build your future. If you like this story, give it a like. Share in the comments. What small discipline step will you take today? We'll meet again in the next story. And remember, discipline beats motivation every single time.